Biodiversity is the biological variety and variability of all life on Earth. All living things are connected. Small changes can cause ripples throughout our ecosystem. Now more than ever, we must act to conserve our planet and tomorrow's future. We hold dear the preservation of our island's natural legacy. It is our prime duty to protect and preserve biodiversity, whether within marine or terrestrial ecosystems. Implementation of wave breakers in our lagoon and tight-knit partnerships with NGOs has allowed us to protect the Bel Ombre coastline from erosion, leading to the restoration of over 5 meters of beach and creating homes for over 20 new marine species. The UNESCO Biosphere program and nature reserve cover over 2,500 hectares of natural wilderness in Bel Ombre, which has played a critical role for biodiversity to flourish and endangered species to repopulate. Our unique online encyclopedia allows our guests to learn and understand about the 400 species of fauna and flora that are present in the Bel Ombre domain and how they are all connected. The Jacotet River flows all the way from Black River National Park down to our lagoon. By planting over 350 endemic trees along its riverbanks, our reforestation program will fortify our vital lifelines for wildlife and nature to thrive. Proving that we are dedicated to smart sustainability initiatives, we do not only minimize our impact by pledging against plastic, using only 100% eco-friendly products, and recycling 100% water on site, but we really believe in making a real positive, lasting impact to our planet and future generations.